Recording in progress.
So welcome to this Soul Surrender to Your Soul masterclass with me, Natalie Farrell. And the message that's coming through is yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's all that's been coming through on my WhatsApp today. Yes, 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 yes. The time is now, and you're here because, like me, I believe that you're coming home. You are coming home to your true destiny, to the true work in 22. And you've been going through that path in 21, just like me. And I know that some of you obviously have been watching, Rachel for sure. You really are coming into this space of your soul's work to truly be heard, truly be seen. So we are going to just tune in with a bowl and tune in with anything that is no longer serving you. I'm not talking about limiting beliefs or anything anymore because we're past that. Okay, we've really, just looking at Ilya there, kind of gone and sown into the earth, and really connected with the earth and the sky and the universe. We know, so it's not limiting. It's anything that is residual, kind of hanging on. I see it hanging on that isn't yours anymore, and you'll just know. Okay, and before we do that, I'd like to introduce you to my bowl. I'm just learning my bowl as well, but I've called it Hector. And it's an AQUA Gold Alchemy bowl. It has very powerful properties in the sense that it is a alignment activator. A yang alignment activator. So maybe this is something that the reason why you're here is that the masculine wants to come through, the masculine wants to help you, that masculine side of you, yet there's still resistance. Perhaps, we don't know. So shifting, cleansing, and activating also the upper chakras. And the color helps to relieve depression and also lifts the spirits, which is cool for Christmas time, but anytime. Okay. And it helps to balance the over-analytic mind as well. So I chose this one because singing with it felt amazing. Let me just check that you can hear. And eventually I'm going to get another bowl that will be a higher tone, and then my purpose is to be the middle bowl, amplifying you and everyone that joins in with this into oneness. So bringing this Trinity together, so the Mother, the Father, the Child, bringing the Holy Trinity energies together, bringing this energy of masculine, feminine, and then the thing in between, the space in between, which is my voice coming through to you. So let's tune in. Let's tune out. Before we go into the receiving sounds, let's breathe in through the nose. And I cannot tell you how excited I was for this. Out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth, because this is my work. And I could cry saying it because this feels so easy to me to be sitting here and delivering this with obviously so much love, and to be this open conduit and channel for the energy is lighting me up like never before. So thank you for being present here today and receiving. And one more inhale and exhale. Good. Just to let you know that Rocket's in here, so he might move or make sound, but he can be part of it. Inviting in all the energies that need to come to clear that final residue. helping you to light the way clearly with less stress for the next 2 weeks. Good, receiving that sound. You are daughters of the earth. Your work here is really potent. Ooh, how good does that feel? Remembering from the deepest point of your field, your auric field, your energy field. You may want to start moving as well. Try and find the movement internally to begin with. Where does the sound want to move through you? Yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, find the space in between, find the space in between, find the space in between, the space in between. Ooh, I'm seeing pyramids. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. The wolves are calling you. Choose to bring in the energy if you wish. Let it go. Like a baby in my arms, I let you go. passing time is here now, darling one, passing over. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Riya Rama Rama chahiye Uri kaketu Chia yeah 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 yeah. Heavenly angel, just know that your work here is divine. You're on the right path. Magic is everywhere, yet it's okay to be still. It's okay to rest. This is the first time of receiving this work. Right now, just start to tune back into your breath, allowing the mind, the heart, the soul, as you know as a human being, to integrate the work as you know how. Combusting right now in all of that energy that's being created. Sinking deeper into your own natural breath pattern. Expansion has happened. It will continue to happen. It is always happening. But right now you have more trust to fall back into it, and this is allowing. I love you. I love you. Yes. Yes. One last deep yes. Captivating the energy, bringing it to your heart, and being shown a prism now, like the necklaces that we wear, the crystal necklaces, but no longer do you need to wear it on the outside because, darling one, you have it on the inside. Your own prism of light. Breathing together, inhaling through the nose, exhaling, inhaling. Good, just let the breath just do its thing, no pressure. And then bringing your hands together, just very gently taking your hands over your eyes, just so that you can bring yourself back into the space. This beautiful space now of new balance. And I'm just being shown that triangular shape again. the masculine, the feminine, and all that is in between. Amplifying together in the oneness. The brotherhood, the ritual, the ceremony coming back to tenderness. And the sisterhood, the ritual of coming back to knowing, self-loving, intuition, and deep knowing. We are going together, not leaving you behind. As you come back round, you are that light that you see in me too. And if you choose to stay in a restful space, I just encourage some movement now, so that you can come back. So the sound journeys are deep, and we go deep very quickly, it seems, especially today. So yeah, just bringing yourself into awakened state. Maybe even tap your skin, so just gently, so you can feel your skin. You can feel that physical body. And I know that some of you that will be listening to the recording, you know, feel that you need to ground more. So this is a nice little practice, little body tapping. Good. Maybe at the thyroid, get a little bit of energy there for this festive period. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this, the first of many sound journeys with me, Natalie Farrell. So light translator, bringing the light that I see in the world to amplify the human experience. And when my friend said that about me, I didn't actually realize that 3 months later I would be sitting here doing this. So keep believing in the work that you're being called to do, even if it feels odd, strange, off path, because, you know, the unexpected has much magic and excitement in it. Do you have any questions?
Thank you.
Thank you, goddess. Whoa, yeah, my Viking lady. Love you.
Love you.